Well, hello all, and welcome back to Davidsbirdroom. We're now into 10 days of the quiet period in Davidsbirdroom in the breeding season. This year, I have 18 pair of birds put down. Out of the 18 pair of canaries I have put down, 16 pair are sitting on eggs. And nest of 4 eggs from pair number 6. So far, out of the 16 pair that are sitting, I can say all is going well. Probably with the exception of one pair. And that pair is from cage number 9. This is the pair in cage number 9. A variegated cock and a young intensive red hen. Now she has decided not to sit on her eggs. She has rid of the eggs. But I do have her eggs transferred to another pair. Her eggs have been moved over to the mullein pairs. A few of those hens have laid and have had blank eggs and are now currently sitting on nest number 9's eggs. All of my Isabel pairs are sitting tight and seem to be doing well. I've had a quick look at the eggs and I can say that all and most of the eggs are full. I've had a good percentage of full eggs out of the 16 pair. So fingers crossed, so far all is going well. By the start of next week, I'll know how things have fully developed, whether their eggs will hatch or not, and if hens will feed. This is another testing time. So to date, I'm very pleased to say, good percentage of full eggs, but now the testing time will come up. Because with breeding canaries, there will be problems. Hens will stop feeding, things that can happen. I'll keep you all informed as things go along. This young Siskin cock I bred last year is along with a young intensive red hen. I do know there's full eggs in that nest to him. So we'll see how things pan out there. In the native section in Davidsbirdroom, the Siskin pair, pair number 2, is sitting on full eggs. Pair number 3 has laid her 3rd egg today. So we'll see how they work out. Time will tell. So that's just a quick update on what's happening inside Davidsbirdroom at the minute. Call back next week. I'll let you know what's happening. Cheerio all.